Prairie here. We're going to continue searching on this Lifan Xpect. As you can just saw, yeah, that's good English. I just vacuumed this out because I don't want any debris to fall down into the lower end. So we're at the point now where we can take the cylinder out, take the piston out, see if the piston rod's bent, and just see what other else kind of carnage is there. So let me get you set up a little bit closer and we'll start again. All right. The only thing I found for bolts is 2 bolts like that on the other side that seem to be holding the cylinder down. We'll see if there's anything else holding it down. Here it comes. I better take these spacers out, leave them with that equipment. Anything else holding this in there? Doesn't seem so. This is the first cylinder I've ever taken off. Okay. Here's our other push rod. Look at the push rod first. And that's not a true test to see if it's bent or not, but it doesn't seem to be bent to me. Huh. There's the one on my right hand is the one is the intake side. Amazing. Huh. Well, that proved me wrong. Now, right away on the piston here, I don't know if that's normal or not. I'm sure you can't see it very well. Things seem to be moving freely. So, I don't see how to get the that rod out of there. So let me figure that out. See if I have the tool to do it. We'll get the piston off. Hold your horses. All right, check this out. So this is what holds the this rod in here that we're going to extract. So we need to push that thing out. One on each side. How hard is that going to be to push out? Not as easy as I thought. Well, it's moving. You know, as soon as I turn the camera on, I forget all the technical terms of everything. Piston, cylinder, piston rod. A little bit more. That seems to have done it. All right. Here's our piston. Got a few scratches there. We haven't even looked at the cylinder yet. It looks like it might have got pretty hot up there. Boy, look at that. That thing just took a beating. I bet you that was a heck of a racket. Well, that top ring is seized in there. Bottom ring, the oil ring, whatever you might call it. That top ring is, and that does look like it got pretty hot. So see what I'm saying? Are you smelling what I'm stepping in? Yeah, that one's locked in there. I bet you we could get it out, but now as far as the piston rod, a little bit of side-to-side movement in it. Nothing up and down, but definitely some side-to-side. Let's have a look at that cylinder. Here we go. Before we give it a good wipe with my dirty rag. Yep, probably gonna need that. Oh, that's that other bolt that was holding it in. The only thing holding the cylinder down was too little of these things. I was a little surprised when I saw that it had a Phillips head on it, and they were not tight at all. I think my grandson could have took them out with his bare fingers. All right. There's definitely some wear here, which would be the front of the cylinder. Let's see if you can see that. Right over yonder. You could see it there. Nothing I can get my fingernail into. Kind of some crud at the top there, but that's carbon, I think. It would wash off. Those rollers seem to roll free. So I think we got lucky with just the head. Cylinder seems to be fine. The rest of that seems to be doing okay. So I did a little bit of snooping around for parts, and I think I can find some. But we're going to have to discover that on another video. So we've got the cylinder off. Definitely needs a piston. The rods seem fine. Needs a head, spark plug. I don't know, you help me remember. What else we need here? Stuff. We need stuff. So, I'm going to have to put this on pause. I'm going to organize all these parts and put head bolts in this bag, rocker arm bolts in this bag, this, that, and the other thing, so I can keep them clean and organized. And then this will probably get off the list until after deer season, and we'll just go from there. But this project isn't done. I want to get this bike going again. I want to get this bike running again. So if you want to see it, stay tuned, and we'll keep plugging forward. So till the next video, peace.